Okay. Hello guys. Good evening to all. How are you all? Okay, I'm launching the technical poll. Let me know whether my voice is clear to all or not, and my screen is visible clearly or not. Just respond in the poll. Everything is good or not. My voice is clearly audible, and also tell me about my screen. Is it visible to clearly all? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. Hello everyone. Welcome to the class. Okay. So this is the third lecture of trigonometry. You know, we'll try to complete all the concepts of trigonometry in this class only. What we have left with. Okay. So chalo, let's start. In this topic, we are going to discuss in this session trigonometric identities and trigonometric equations. You know? So these are some identities I have told you in the last class. You know? Am I right? Yes or no? No. Okay. So you should remember. You should remember these four identities. That is sin a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Here, what we are doing? We are converting product to addition or subtraction, right? Product to addition or subtraction. That is 2 sin a into cos b is actually sin a plus b plus sin of a minus. कैसे तुम प्रूव करोगे? If you ask sir, how can you prove this? So simply just take the right hand side, है ना? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, है ना? Just elaborate this, you will get the left hand side कैसे? So sin of a plus b we know that is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Similarly, sin of a minus b we know sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So these two will be cancelled out. So what you are getting? 2 sin a into cos b. So this which is your left hand side. So first formula is proved. Again, first one is proved. Okay. Likewise, you can prove all these identities also. Okay. So let's move. Another identities. Just here, what you are doing? We are converting from addition subtraction to product. So sin, remember sin of c plus sin of c plus sin of d is actually 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. And sin cos c plus cos d is 2 cos of, when you have sin, here you have sin cos. When you have cos, you are having both cos. First is c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, right? And when you are having sin c minus sin d, minus टाइम क्या हो रहा है? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Remember this formula. Remember these four formula, which will help you a lot in question problem solving. Okay, so let's move. You can take a screenshot of all these slides. Okay, just take a screenshot of this formula. You can take it also here. So here you have some identities. कैसा है? Important है. Sin 2 is 2 sin a into cos a. Okay, and half angle formula, if you convert it into half angle formula, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Sin theta is equal to 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta. So we know sin of 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? So if you take the half angle formula, so what will happen? Sin of 2 theta by 2, it will be right hand side will be sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta, है ना? तो ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? sin of theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2, right? I hope this is clear to all, है ना? Likewise, you can prove also. So remember, when cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, and also 2 cos square a minus 1, and also 1 minus 2 sin square, है ना? So if you take the half angle formula, ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So these are some formulas. You can take a screenshot of all these formulas, right? Just take a screenshot of all these formulas. If you need the proof, you can go through any standard book. You will get all the proof. Okay. So let's move. Here we have an example. We have to prove that cos of 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta is actually tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So how can you prove it? Take 1 minute to solve this question, prove this question. Try it by your own. हो गया? चलो ठीक है, देखो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? टेक द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड cos 2 theta अपन 1 plus sin 2 theta, and we know cos 2 theta को if can we write cos 2 theta को can we write sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta? Yes, we can write. We know sin of pi by 2 minus theta is actually cos theta, है ना? ठीक है ना? So in place of cos 2 theta we have written here sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta, right? And 1 plus sin 2 theta को हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Similarly sin of 2 theta can be written as sin of 2 theta can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. ठीक है? Okay, so now apply the formula. What is that? Apply the formula sin of pi by 2 minus 2 theta को हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? If we'll take the half angle formula, अभी देखे थे ना हम लोग, sin theta is actually क्या होता है? 2 sin of theta by 2 minus cos of into cos of theta by 2. So apply this formula here, है ना? Sin theta, take theta as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. If we'll take theta, इसको हम theta ले लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into sin of theta by 2, that is pi by 2 minus 2 theta divided by 2. So pi by 2 becomes pi by 4. 2 theta से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Pi by 4 minus 2 theta, है ना? And cos of क्या हो जाएगा? Cos of theta by 2, that is theta here. What is theta here? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And pi by 2 minus 2 theta को अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वही सेम pi by 4 minus theta मिलेगा. And here also what I am getting 1 plus cos theta, है ना? 1 plus cos theta is actually क्या होता है ना? 2 cos square theta by 2, है ना? ठीक है? 2 cos square theta by 2. Here you have pi by 2 is pi by 4 and 2 theta by theta is 2. Sorry, theta, है ना? So finally what you are getting, cos तो एक तो cancel हो जाएगा, है ना? तो 2 भी cancel हो जाएगा. What you are getting, sin of pi by 4 minus theta upon cos of pi by 4 minus theta. So that is actually tan of pi by 4 minus theta, है ना? So this is my actually right hand side and hence it is proved. I hope this is clear to all of you guys. Just you have to remember all the formula, you will get done, है ना? अगर फॉर्मूला सारे फॉर्मूले तुम्हें याद होगा तब तुम जाके ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्री इज एक्चुअली a lot of questions need to be solved by yourself, है ना? When you will solve a lot of questions in trigonometry, then you will able to solve or prove the trigonometric question, right? ठीक है? So all of you please solve a huge amount of numericals from any standard books, then we will able to solve JEE mains trigonometric question. Okay, so let's move. Here another concept test you have. For this test, concept test, you have 1 minute. Just I am giving you 1 minute for this question. Solve it. Prove ना, prove करना पड़ेगा. You have to prove this. हो गया सबका? You have to just use the formula. times of 2, guys. Anyone have tried the question? Sure. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay. We know what is that? The formula 1 plus cos 8 theta will be 1 plus cos 2 theta is actually 2. देखो मुझे ये पता है ना, we know the identities, that is cos 2 theta is actually 2 cos square theta minus 1, है ना. So apply the half angle formula, what you will get, है ना, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? ठीक है, ये होगा ना. यस, तो cos 2 cos square theta क्या हो जाएगा? तो 2 cos square theta will be cos 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? 1 plus cos 2 theta, है ना. If you were taking cos of 8 theta here, cos of 8 theta, when you have 2 theta, here you have 2 theta by 2. So when you are taking cos of 8 theta, that means you also have in the left hand side 2 cos square 8 theta by 2, right? So this is the formula here we have used, that is 4 theta, cos 2 cos square 4 theta, है ना. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 4 cos square 4 theta, है ना. So 4 cos square 4 theta, that is actually equal to 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, because on root of 4 is 2, right? 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. So again take 2 as common. अगर हम 2 को common ले जाएंगे तो we'll left with 1 plus cos 4 theta again. So which is 1 plus cos 4 theta, क्या हो जाएगा, 2 cos square 4 theta by 2, that is 2 theta, है ना. So we have used here, that is again you are having 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So take 2 as common, so 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 into 2 cos square theta, and on root of 4 cos square theta is 2 cos theta. ठीक है, this is the proof. I hope this is clear to all of you guys. Let's respond in the chat box whether it is clear or not. If you have any doubt, you can ask, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Follow? Yes, it is clear. So let's move. Here you have some conditional identities. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, you need to remember all these identities. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then sine of 2 pi 2a plus sine of 2b plus sine of 2c is 4. Please repeat the question. Yes, question is actually on root of 2 plus on root of, yes, I understand. Speed is too fast because what you are doing here, we are revising the chapter, right? We don't have any time, we don't have more time to go through all the concepts very slowly or in detail, है ना. That is the problem. That's why थोड़ा speed हो रहा है, ठीक है. Yes, this is the question on root of 2 plus on root of 2 plus on root of 2 plus 2 theta, 2 cos 8 theta, है ना. तो ये हो गया मेरा. This is the answer, solution, है ना. फॉर्मूला क्या यूज हुआ है, these two formulae have been used the last question, right? This is not equal to, I hope this is clear now. I hope this is clear now. No. चलो ठीक है, और एक बार मैं बोल देता हूँ आपको. चलो ठीक है, again I am solving this. If you are not understanding, there is no meaning of teaching. Okay, I understand. Okay, so see, we know, अभी तो मैं बता रहा है ना, 1 plus cos 8 theta. How you are getting, that is 2 cos square 8 theta by 2. देखो, we know cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Okay, now tell me, what will be your 2 cos square theta? That is 1 plus cos 2 theta, है ना. When you are having theta in the left hand side in the argument of cos, in the right hand side we are having in the argument of cos 2 theta, right? So we have here 1 plus cos 8 theta, that is 1 plus cos 8 theta. That means when you are having 2 theta, here you have theta. So when you are having here 8 theta, you will be having 2 cos square 4 theta, that is 8 theta by 2. Simple. So in place of 1 plus cos 8 theta, we can write 2 cos square 4 theta. Is it clear? 2 cos square 4 theta. Yes. So now under root of 2 into 2 cos square 4 theta. So that is under root of 4 is 2. We know. So 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 4 cos square 4 theta is 2 cos 4 theta. Under root of 4 cos square 4 theta. Under root of 4 plus under root of 4 cos square 4 theta, that is 2 cos 4 theta. Simply I have written here. 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. So again from here I am taking 2 as common. 2 को मैं common ले लिया, तो मेरे पास बचा क्या? 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. Again coming to this formula, 1 plus cos 4 theta will be 2 cos square 2 theta. है ना? So 4 theta जब 8 theta था divided by 2 4 theta. जब 4 theta है तुम्हारे पास divided by 2 क्या हो जाएगा? 2 cos square 2 theta. Again see here. On root of 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. Again take 2 as common. You are having in the bracket is actually 1 plus cos 2 theta. Right? And we know 1 plus cos 2 theta is actually क्या होगा? 2 cos square theta. So 2 into 2 cos square theta का square root क्या हो जाएगा? 2 cos theta. Right hand side. Is it clear now? Generally, who is asking? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear now? Yes. Thank you. Sure. So let's move. Okay. So these are some conditional identities you have to remember, right? So just take a screenshot of this slide, please, everyone. Just take a screenshot of this slide. You need to remember all these identities. Okay. ठीक है ना? Shall I move? Okay. Oh, don't worry. In Saturday we have 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, I'm planning to solve some JEE mains level questions. We'll solve some JEE mains level questions in Saturday 1 hour. ठीक है? With just a quick revision of the trigonometry. Okay. So how can you find the maximum and minimum value of a cos when you have the function as a cos theta plus b sin theta? A cos theta plus b sin theta. इस टाइप का अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन है, ठीक है, सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ such type of expression, trigonometric expression? It's very simple. No need to go through the derivation. Just I am telling you, है ना? Just I am telling you. What is that? Under root of minus under root of a square plus b square is the minimum. Is the maximum. Sorry, minimum हो जाएगा. This is minimum. Minimum of the above expression, and on root of a square plus b square will be your maximum of above expression. And when the expression is in the form a cos theta plus b sin theta, yes. Who is asking anything? No, I am. Can you? Sure, check. And so this will be your minimum and this will be the maximum. In third case, please forget about these two. You can just remember these two formula, but it is important. You can remember these two. So we'll solve a question on this, right? ठीक है. So देखो ये cos of alpha plus theta plus b cos of beta plus theta. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस ऑन रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab इंटू कॉस ऑफ अल्फा माइनस थीटा. मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा उसका ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab इंटू कॉस ऑफ अल्फा माइनस बीटा का अंडर रूट, है ना? चलो ठीक है. लेट्स सॉल्व ए क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 sin x प्लस cos x and x for which a maximum value occurs. ठीक है, क्या हो जाएगा फिर? So let's solve this question. Okay, let's see. So we have under root of sin 3x plus cos x. Can we write this as if we'll multiply by 2 and divided by 2? So what will happen? Batao. If we'll multiply by 2 and divided by 2, so what will happen? So this will be 2 into root 3 by 2 into sin x plus 1 by 2 into sin x. So it is actually this, what is this? Sin of x plus pi by 6. Because the value of this, देखो, 2 into root 3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 sin x. Okay, that is actually, what is that? 2 into root 3 by 2 किसका वैल्यू है भाई? रूट 3 by 2 किसका वैल्यू है? कॉस ऑफ पाई बाई 6 हो गया. यस, cos of pi by 6, yes, cos of pi by 6 into sin of x plus sin a into cos d plus cos a 1 by 2 क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ तो गलत है क्या? 1 by 2, वट इज 1 by 2 हो जाएगा तो मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 2 का ये आ जाएगा cos of pi by 3 हो रहा है ना, cos of pi by 3 sin of pi by 6 हो जाएगा. Yeah, it is actually, this is cos of x, है ना? This is cos of x. So this is sin of pi by 6 into cos x. So what is the formula? Here you are getting 2 into sin of x plus pi by 6. ठीक है? So which is maximum when, ये कब maximum होगा? When x plus, अच्छा ये बताओ मुझे, sin, what is the maximum value of sin x? That is 1. So for which value of x it becomes 1? When x is equal to pi by 2. ठीक है ना? Okay, so when this becomes sin of x plus pi by 6 becomes 1, है ना? When it becomes 1, then it will be maximum, right? So when it will be maximum? Now when sin of x plus pi by 6 will be 1. So when sin of x plus pi by 6 will be 1? Now when x plus pi by 6 becomes what? Pi by 2. तो x मुझे क्या मिला ना? x becomes 60 degree, है ना? So for x is equal to 60 degree, or we can say pi by 3, है ना? For x is equal to pi by 3, this expression has maximum value, that is 2, है ना? So it becomes 1, that means 2 into 1, 2. So maximum value is 2, and when it becomes maximum, now when x is equal to 60 degree, or we can say pi by 3. I hope this is clear. Got it? Is it clear to all? Everyone, respond in the chat box. Is it clear, guys? बताओ. चलो बोलो. Is it clear, everyone? Please repeat the question. So we don't have more time actually. Okay, let's discuss this question again. Okay, so question ये था √3 sin x plus cos x. You need to find the maximum value of this expression, and also you have to find the value of x for which the expression becomes maximum, right? So what we are doing, multiply 2 and divided 2 with this expression, given expression. So if you multiply 2, so 2 into and divide 2, √3 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 cos x. This becomes this, and we know √3 by 2 is cos of pi by 6 sin x plus 1 by 2 is sin of pi by 6 into cos x, and we know that sin of a plus b is actually sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b. Is this expression is in this format? Yes. So can we write, in place of this, can we write sin of x plus pi by 6? Can we write? Yes. So now we need to find the maximum value. Okay. So when this will be maximum? When this will be maximum? Now when this will be maximum? Now when sine of x plus pi by 6 is equal to 1. Okay, because maximum value of sine x is 1 na? So when it becomes 1, then x is equal to pi by 2. For x is equal to pi by 2, sine x gives you 1. Right? So this to be 1, this sine of x plus pi by 6 to be 1, x plus pi by 6 must be pi by 2. Sorry, pi by 2. Right? So if x plus pi by 6 is pi by 2, तो x क्या हो गया मेरा? Pi by 2 minus pi by 6. That is actually एलसीएम ले लो, क्या मिलेगा मुझे? क्या मिला था मुझे? पाई बाई 3 है ना, पाई बाई 3 है ना. So okay, so at x is equal to pi by 3, this becomes 1 है ना. So 2 into इसका मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 1. So मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो गया मेरा 1. What is the maximum value of this given expression? 1. No, sorry, 2. Maximum value is 2. And for which value of x? At x is equal to pi by 3, the given expression gives you maximum value, that is 2. Is it clear now, guys? Now it is clear? Yes? Now it is clear to all. Everyone respond in the chat box. Now it is clear? Yes? No? What is the doubt? What is your doubt? Where you are getting doubt? Bolo. Where you cannot understand the solution? Where you are not able to understand? Let me know, or let me check. What is your doubt actually? All the new formula. It's not all the new formula. What are the new formula? I gave you this. Okay. Yeah, I understand, guys. But we don't have time to elaborate all this formula in your class because we have only 40 minutes in your class. And it's not possible to complete all the topic, all the trigonometry in 2 to 3 classes. It's not possible actually. So just what we are doing, we are revising, or nothing else. Try to remember all these formulae, and if you have time after your class, you can go through the book. I'm telling you one book, that is Aryan Trigonometry. You can take Aryan Trigonometry, and also you can take Sengage also. Okay. From these two books, you can refer any book, you will get all the derivation of all formula. Right? Okay. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. Actually, really sorry. Okay. Now we'll discuss trigonometric equation. So all of you know what is equation. All of you know what is equation. So likewise, also we have some trigonometric equations. The equations with the trigonometric unknown ratios. The equation with the unknown trigonometric ratios called trigonometric equations. Like here, cos square x minus 4 sin x is equal to 1. It's an equation with trigonometric unknown quantity, unknown trigonometric ratios, right? So this is a trigonometric equation, we can say, right? But sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. It's an identity, and it's an trigonometric identity. It's an trigonometric identity, and this is an equation, trigonometric equation. Okay. So what is the difference between equation and identity? So this equation have the solutions one or more trigonometric, maybe one solution हो सकता है, दो solution हो सकता है, infinite हो सकता है. But what is identity here? When we can say identity, for all real x, this identity is satisfied. For all real values of x, this identity is true. That's why it is called trigonometric identity. You know from the you already studied in identity in quadratic equation also, and from childhood also you are studying. What is an identity? Algebraic identity, you know, na? A plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. है ना? So there are infinite number of solutions in case of identity, right? ठीक है? चलो. So solution roots of a trigonometric equation. जैसे ही हमारा quadratic equation में a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has two solutions, alpha and beta, or roots of the equation, quadratic equation. Similarly, in case of trigonometric equations, also we have some solutions, or we can say they are roots or zeros, you can say, है ना? Like 2 sin theta. If I take equation 2 sin theta is equal to 1, तो sin theta क्या हो जाएगा ना? Sin theta becomes 1 by 2, है ना? So theta क्या हो जाएगा ना? Theta is equal to pi by 2, है ना? Theta is equal to sorry 1 by 2 ना, क्या हो जाएगा? Theta is equal to 30 degree, or we can say pi by 6, pi by 6, pi by 6. Yes, pi by 6, right? And similarly, also theta can be 150 also, है ना? So they are the solution of this trigonometric equation. So what is the principal solution? Now, when the solution lying between 0 to 2 pi interval, when the those solutions are belongs to 0 to 2 pi, 0 is included and 2 pi is excluded, those solutions are belongs to this interval, then we can say those are my principal solution. Like here you have an equation sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So then the two values of theta between 0 to 2 pi, pi by 6, and another one is 5 pi by 6, those are the principal solutions. Okay, okay, because pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6 are those two values, those are belongs to the interval 0 to 2 pi, है ना? जो भी सॉल्यूशन तुम्हें मिलेगा जो 0 से 2 पाई बी के बीच में लाई करेंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन. ओके, गॉट इट? ओके, सो व्हाट इज जनरल सॉल्यूशन? General solutions means, I am taking a small example, sin theta is equal to 0. So what is the general solution here? Now theta becomes, when theta becomes 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, and so on, है ना? So in general we can write all these values. To all these values we can write n pi when n belongs to the set of integers, है ना? When n belongs to the set of integers, we can say for all integral multiple of pi, है ना? Theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. That means integral multiple of pi is the solution of this equation sin theta is equal to 0. Is it clear? है ना? So this is the general solution. So particular solution is the solution of the trigonometric equation lying in the given interval. If I'll ask you 0 to 2 pi, find a solution of the equation sin theta is equal to 0 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So suddenly you can say pi. So for pi which is belongs to 0 to 2 pi open interval is the only solution when sin theta becomes 0. So this is called particular solution. This type of solutions are called particular solution, है ना? And this is my general solution. I hope this is clear to all of you. Clear? ये समझ में आ गया सबको, है ना? So what is trigonometric equation, trigonometric identities, and general solution, particular solution, principal solutions, all these things clear ना? चलो बोलो. Okay, हम है ना स्पीड नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है? So trigonometric equation is the most important portion of the trigonometry, because from this concept only in JEE Mains you will get a question. Most of the time, है ना, NT asked a question from this concept only, trigonometric equation, and it's very much important. You must understand all this. ठीक है? ये सबको समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? Let me know in the chat box. Is it clear till now what I have taught you? Is it clear, guys? Please respond in the chat box, everyone. Okay, chalo, let's move. Okay, here you have an example. find the principal solution of the equation sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. है ना? This is your equation. Try to solve it and let me know the answer in the chat box. Right? Yeah, except the formula concept. Okay. So I already told you, sorry for that. And if you'll derive all the formulae, okay, so this will take a long time. Right, guys? So try to cover all those derivations of formulae from your book. Already I told you 2 books. One is Sengage, or you can take any standard books. In all the books you get all the derivations. Then what's the use of this class? We are not understanding. Yeah. Okay. Let me discuss. Let me discuss about these things. What is your issue? Let me discuss with our management team, or they will discuss with your teachers and that's all. I'll inform. I'll inform all this. Okay. No problem. I will inform these things what you are saying to our management people. Then we'll decide whether the class would be fast, very fast, or the class must be genuine. जैसे क्लास होना चाहिए वैसे होगा कि हम ऐसे ही उड़ा देंगे पूरा सब. I already told to our management team also about it. Okay, let me discuss. I'm sorry for you're not understanding. I'm sorry, really very sorry. Okay, sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. है so what is the solution of this equation? है you can check here. So sin of x is equal to root 3 by 2 ना ये दिया था ना. ठीक है. So we know sin of at x is equal to pi by 3. Sin x is equal to sin of pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. ठीक है. Okay. So and also we know sin of 2 pi by 3 is also sin of pi minus pi by 3. है कि नहीं? और pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3 ना. Pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. So can we write sin of 2 pi by 3 is equal to sin of pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3. Yes. ठीक है. And simply we can say here sin of 2 pi by 3 is equal to sin of pi minus pi by 3 is pi by 3 है ना, is equal to root 3 by 2. ठीक है. Sin of 2 pi by 3 gives you root 3 by 2 and also sin of pi by 3 gives you root 3 by 2. And then the principal solutions in between the interval 0 to 2 pi. So these are two solutions at x is equal to pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. है ना. Sin x gives you root 3 by 2. ठीक है. And this is actually these two are your principal solutions. Okay, got it? Sure. Oh. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Yes, it is clear or not? Gen B. It is clear or not? तो सिंपल सा इक्वेशन था उसको हम सॉल्व किए. ये समझ में आ गया सबको? Again we have a lot of formula. What can I do? Sin theta is equal to 0, the general solution is n pi. Cos theta is equal to 0, the general solution is or multiple of pi by 2. Tan theta is equal to 0, integral multiple of pi. है ना? So ठीक है, let me discuss first and then we'll continue from here. है ना? Let me discuss with these things. है ना? And all these things you need to you must understand because they are important also. है ना? So first let me discuss all these things. What is your issues? Let me present with our management people. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your feedback, guys. Thanks for your feedback. Okay. Chalo. Okay. It's time to end the class here. Thank you. Take your take rest now for some time. And from next class, we will continue from this trigonometry equation also. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Chalo. Take care. Bye bye.